You searched how to buy shares of HealthEquity Inc., and this short guide will show the practical steps. HealthEquity administers health savings accounts and benefits technology, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker HQY. This is educational content, not financial advice. To purchase HQY, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with a photo ID, and add funds to be able to buy shares. Use the platform's search box and enter the ticker HQY to find HealthEquity Inc. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ to ensure you have located the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the page states HealthEquity Inc. and the NASDAQ listing so you are on the right instrument. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order will execute when it reopens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the exact platform shown.